The Monkey's Paw by William Weimar Jacobs. The Monkey's Paw is a supernatural short story first published in England in the collection The Lady of the Barge in 1902. In the story, three wishes are granted to the owner of the monkey's paw, but the wishes come with an enormous price for interfering with fate. The story opens on a dark, cold, and stormy night as the three members of the White family relax inside their cozy house. Herbert White and his father are playing a game of chess while Mrs. White knits near the fire. After finding his wrong move in the game of chess, Mr. White tried to draw his son's attention by talking about wind, but he lost the game. After his son wins, Mr. White complains about the terrible weather and nearly deserted road they live near. A family friend, Sergeant Major Morris, arrives for a visit. Over a whiskey, he tells stories of his exploits abroad. Mr. White expresses interest in going to India, but the Sergeant Major says he would be better off staying at home. At Mr. and Mrs. White's urging, Sergeant Major Morris takes a small mummified paw out of his pocket. He explains that a fakir, a mystic, placed a spell on the paw to prove that people's lives are governed by fate and that it is dangerous interfering with fate. According to the Sergeant Major, three men can wish on the paw 3 times each. The Sergeant Major himself has already had his 3 wishes, as has another man who used his third wish to ask for death. The Sergeant Major has considered selling the paw, but he doesn't want it to cause any more trouble than it already has. Moreover, no one will buy the paw without first seeing proof of its effect. The Sergeant Major throws the paw into the fire and Mr. White quickly rescues it. The Sergeant Major warns him 3 times to leave the paw alone, but he eventually explains how to make a wish on the paw. He told that hold it up in your right hand and state your wish out loud so that you can be heard. But I warn you of what might happen. Mrs. White says the story reminds her of the Arabian Nights and jokingly suggests that her husband wish her a pair of extra hands to help her with all her work. The Sergeant Major doesn't find this joke funny, however, and urges Mr. White to use common sense if he insists on wishing. After supper and more tales of India, the Sergeant Major leaves. Herbert says he thinks the Sergeant Major is full of nonsense and jokes, that his father should make himself an emperor so that he doesn't have to listen to Mrs. White's harassing. In mock anger, Mrs. White playfully chases her son. Mr. White says he has everything he wants and isn't sure what to wish for. Herbert says that 200 pounds would enable them to pay off the money owed for the house. Mr. White wishes aloud for 200 pounds as Herbert accompanies him with melodramatic chords played on the piano. Mr. White suddenly cries out and says that the paw moved like a snake in his hand. But his son said, well, I don't see the money, and I bet I never shall. After that, Mr. and Mrs. White go to bed. Herbert sits by the fire and sees a vividly realistic monkey face in the flame. He puts out the flame, takes the monkey's paw, and goes to bed.